Ano yan? Ikaw na. Kapang camera yan.
Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are here with Coach Yang Giao, best player of the game, Jonard Carrigan. Coach Yang, wow, sabi mo nga sa huddle, Coach, the guys were making too many mistakes in a game this important. But after that, they responded with stronger defensive effort, and then Jonard really gave you something to build on. How did you see that shift, and what stood out to you in how they carried themselves all the way to the end?
We were just patient. No? Nagpasensya lang kami. Basketball is a game of runs. We had a run in the first half. They had a run in the third quarter. Mabuti na lang nakabalik ulit kami nung fourth quarter. Sheer hard work, sheer effort. Just the desire to extend the series. Si Jonard, kita natin effort niya, buwis buhay talaga. So, any coach would appreciate the effort they put up, no, not just him, but the rest of the guys. Na-withstand namin yung torrid shooting nila, ayaw magmintis kanina yung mga tira nila. Mabuti na lang na-survive namin. But that's really the way they play. So, at least buhay pa kami. Na-extend namin until Saturday. Pero gusto namin yung position namin yun. One game away, even field, great battle. This is what we like. This is where you get your toughness. And we showed toughness today.
Thank you, Coach Yang. Jonard, gaya ng sabi ni Coach Yang, buwis buhay. 20 points, 21 rebounds. Sinabi mo na to kanina, sa depensa, sa opensa, gagalingan mo talaga. Jonard, napakarami mong pinabilib ngayong araw. Paano mo nagawa yun? Anong nasa isip mo na nung nahihirapan na kayong lahat? Ikaw yung nagsilbing inspirasyon na bumuhay sa leadership.
For me, yung ano lang sabi ni Coach Yang lagi sa paddle namin. Kasi yung release namin sobrang baba. Kaya dinaanan namin sa sipag, sa box out, sa rebound. Maraming tulong-tulong din yung mga teammate ko. Then, at saka, kaya nga yung sabi ni Coach Yang, walang matatalo sa depensa. Kailangan buwis buhay talaga.
Thank you, Jonard. We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Jonard, congratulations. Sa buong karir mo, kahit hindi sa PBA, nagka-2020 game pa naman?
Wala pa. Pero may 18 rebounds na sa
Naka-18.
Sa MPBL.
Coming to this game, kasi nga, twice to beat si NLEX. Pero yun nga, may experience kayo na sa ganitong sitwasyon, especially na may sa kayong semifinals. Kan naging factor yun tonight against NLEX?
Siyempre yung mga experience namin, malaking bagay yun. Pero hindi pa rin kami pakampante. Kailangan pa rin namin na dumipensa. Tulad ng sabi ni Coach Yang, kailangan buwis buhay sa every possession.
Coach, kasi parang kayo and NLEX, parang you mirror each other, I guess. Would you say so na ganun?
Medyo meron yung mga similarities. Mabilis din sila maglaro, may mga bata rin sila sa team nila. No? Everybody can shoot, they're moving the ball, parang ganun din kami. Kaya tama yun, maraming similarities. But ang tingin ko kasi ano no? Itong series na to, sabi ko kanina, even before the start of the game, bigay mo lahat ng kaya mo, trabaho pa, but at the end of the game, it's really, there's really luck involved. Swertehin ka, it's going to be 1 or 2 possessions ang diferensya. Ang sinasabi ko rin sa kanila, yung free throws natin, dami nating namimintis, ang laro sa playoffs decided by 1 or 2 points. Sayang naman yung mga free throws natin. So, may halong swerte, pero ang tingin ko yung swerte darating sa'yo pag kinayod mo, pag nagsipag ka, which we did today.
Coach, Elim's team against NLEX, si Cyrus Torres yung gumawa. And then kanina parang on his way to another similar performance but you limited him eventually. Talk about yung effort naman ninyo to stop Cyrus Torres.
Noong una namin silang nakalaban, hindi yata siya nagmintis eh. May isang mintis siya. Kanina parang ayaw din magmintis. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron siya sa amin. Kung galit siya o may para kaming nakukulang pag siya yung kalaban namin. But meron naman siyang talagang meron naman siya talagang tira. Kaya lang pagka lang kalaban kami, sobrang ganda nung niya, nung tira niya.
Baka gustong lumipas eh.
Ewan ko lang, pero magagalit si Boss Ronald pag narinig.
Coach, sa last 3 times na semis kayo, dumaan kayo ng 2 or 3 game sa tatlo. Would you think kaya nyo ulit magawa yun Saturday?
Of course, no, tingin ko kaya namin. No, kaya lang, parang nakakapagod yung parati ka na lang do or die. Yun nga, at some point you will die. So, kung maiwasan mo, iwasan mo. No? Gusto nga namin, mga top 4 kami para meron naman kami margin, pero hindi mubra eh. So, this is the way. No? This is the way. Now we look at it as we're 1 win away from another semifinals. That's the way we look at it. Isang panalo na lang, isang laro na lang. Buhay uli tayo. Semifinals ulit tayo. Yun ang perspective namin.
Coach, yung kay Santi, di ba? Worried ko yun.
Medyo worried ako kasi gustong-gusto niyang tapusin yung laro, pero sabi niya medyo medyo masakit at saka baka hindi siya makatulong kung nandun siya sa loob. Medyo blurred yung tingin niya.
That ends our post-game press conference. Thank you everyone. Congratulations, Coach and John.
Thank you, Coach.